Go.
going,
Come.
coming,
Write.
writing,
Sing.
singing,
Read.
reading,
Run.
running,
Jump.
jumping,
Teach.
teaching,
Learn.
learning,
Sit.
sitting,
Go.
going,
Come.
coming,
Win.
winning,
Lose.
losing,
Forget.
forgetting,
Smile.
smiling,
Laugh.
laughing,
Cry.
crying.
Okay, that's good. Now I will tell you the sentences in English. You will translate into Sindhi. Okay? Okay, start. I'm going. Ma bani rahe ho. I'm going. I'm coming. I'm sitting. I'm running. I'm buying. I'm drinking. I'm eating. I'm working. I'm laughing. I'm crying. I'm sitting. I'm waiting. I'm writing. I'm teaching. I'm learning. I'm speaking. Very good. Stop. माँ चिरे वाया, माँ हासिल करे रहे वाया, माँ खरीद करे रहे वाया, माँ पढ़ी रहे वाया, माँ जंप करे रहे वाया, माँ विसारे रहे वाया, माँ लिखी रहे वाया, माँ खेली रहे वाया, माँ खिली रहे वाया, माँ रोई रहे वाया. Very good.
No, I am not abusing it because I am eating, I am standing, I am sitting, I am watching, I am learning, I am listening, I am seeing, I am writing.
Are they fighting?
No, they are not fighting because they are sitting, they are eating, they are watching, they are playing, they are dancing, they are eating, they are sleeping, they are listening, they are learning, they are sitting, they are standing.
Is she crying?
No, she is not crying because she is laughing, she is playing, she is talking, she is sitting, she is learning.
Is he lying?
No, he is not lying because he is watching, eating, he is sleeping, he is watching, he is standing, he is standing, he is
What
sitting.
are you doing?
I am telling, I am standing, and
What they are doing?
they are listening, they are seeing, they are.
Okay, what am I doing?
You are asking, I am answering.
What is he doing?
He is watching, he is staring.
What is she doing?
She is talking, she is listening.
What is that man doing?
He is seeing us.
Okay. Okay, very good. Clapping.
Kashyap, and I am the student of class 7.
Are you lying?
No, I am not lying. I am buying books, I am buying copies, I am laughing, I am crying, I am sleeping, I am doing work, I am.
Are you smoking?
No, I am not smoking because I am laughing, I am crying, I am lunching, I am dinnering, I am eating food. I am
Are you
eating pizza.
fighting?
No, I am not fighting because I am laughing, I am crying, I am doing work, I am running, I am.
Are you abusing?
No, I am not abusing because I am running, I am laughing, I am crying, I am sleeping.
Are they losing the match?
No, they are not losing the match because they are laughing, they are sleeping, they are running, they are walking, they are.
Is she learning Urdu?
No, she is not learning Urdu because she is learning English, she learning Arabic, she learning science, she learning computer.
Is he sleeping?
No, she is not sleeping. She is crying, she is waking, she is running, she is laughing.
Very good.
My name is Samir Manayas from class 7.
Well, are you getting books?
No, I am not getting book because I am listening, teaching, walking, singing, seeing.
Are you watching movies?
No, I am not watching movie because I am joking, playing cricket. I am seeing, listening, talking, walking, sitting, eating, crying.
Are you playing in the ground?
No, I am not playing in the ground because I am sitting, seeing, teaching, crying, walking, listening, teaching, eating.
Are they fighting?
No, they are not fighting because they are discussing, talking, sitting, eating, writing.
Are they writing stories?
No, they are not writing a story because they are listening me, they are seeing me, they are writing.
Is she making dinner?
No, she does not making.
She is not making
She is
dinner.
not making dinner because she is seeing movie.
Okay. Is he crying?
No, he is not crying because he is listening, teaching, seeing, writing.
Okay. What are they doing?
They are listening me, they are seeing me, they are talking with each other.
Okay, what are you doing?
I am sitting, I am standing.
Okay, what am I doing?
You are answering, you are questioning.
What are the students doing?
Students are talking with each other.
Okay, that's good.
Myself, Malkan Medina from class 7, and we have another activity.
Are you forgetting lesson?
No, I am not forgetting because I am watching, I am talking, I am writing, I am reading, I was asking, I was repeating, I was reading, I was talking.
Are you abusing?
No, I am not abusing because I am reading, I am writing, I am walking, I am talking, I am reading, I am writing.
Are you stealing book?
No, I am not stealing book because I am going, I am walking, I am going to Karachi, I am visiting, I am walking, I am talking, I am reading, I am writing, I was representing, I am representing.
Are they fighting?
No, they are not fighting because they are listening me, they are really walking, they are talking, they are eating dinner, they are watching TV.
Is she resting?
No, she is not resting because she is listening me, she is writing, she is reading, she is eating, she is visited.
Okay. Is he reading stories?
No, he is not reading stories because because he is listening, he is writing, he is reading, he is eating, he is visiting.
Very good.
Writing because I am listening, I am reading, I am watching, I am telling, I am watching, I am telling, I am sleeping, I am eating, I am doing work.
Are you abusing?
No, I am not abusing, I am asking, I am not questioning, I am answering.
Are you buying?
No, I am not buying. No, I am doing activities, I can buying, I am sleeping, I can.
Are they laughing?
No, they are not laughing. They are abusing. They are lying. They are sleeping.
Is she fighting?
No, she is not fighting. She is lying. She is doing activities. She is lying.
Is she eating?
No, she not eating. She laughs. She laughing. She is laughing. She is doing.
Is he joking?
No, he is not joking. He is doing. He is sleeping. He is eating. He is.
What you doing?
I'm not. I do.
I am.
I am telling. I am watching. I am sleeping. I can.
What are they doing?
They are listening, asking questions.
What am I doing?
So you are doing asking me the questions and I am asking.
Very good.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Babar from class 7.
Okay. Are you taking tea?
No, I am not taking tea because I am looking, I am smiling, I am playing cricket, I am playing football.
Okay. Are you winning match?
No, I am not winning match because I am looking, I am smiling, I am losing, I am buying books, I am buying copies.
Are you writing stories?
No, I am not writing stories because I am smiling, I am looking, I am
Okay.
I
Well,
am jumping.
are they fighting?
They are not fighting because they are listening me. They are looking me and they are.
Okay. Is she crying?
She is not crying because she
She is.
is listening me and
Very
talking
good.
to each
Very
other.
good. Very good.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Aisha and I am from class 7.
What are you doing here?
I am standing, I am watching, I am listening, I am looking, I am reading, I am standing, I am fighting, I am looking.
What you doing at your home?
I am doing my homework, I am doing my work, I am doing my.
Okay. What you doing here in the classroom?
I am standing, I am reading, I am studying, I am watching, I am listening, I am learning, I am.
What are they doing?
They are watching me, they are listening me, they are fighting with me, they are.
What is he doing?
He is watching me, he is crying, he is laughing, he is looking, he is looking.
What is she doing?
She is listening me, she is watching me, she is reading, she is studying, she is writing, she is reading, she is listening, she is
Are you
fighting.
buying books?
No, I am not buying books. I am buying pencil, I am buying pen, I am buying books, I am buying diary, I am buying phone, I am buying tablet.
Okay, very good.
Mohammed Asif Nazar in class 7.
Well, what you doing?
I am learning, I am listening, I am seeing, I am playing, I am crying, I am forgetting, I am stealing money, I am barking, I am buying.
Very good. Are you abusing?
No, I am not abusing because I am watching, I am seeing, I am standing, I am sitting, I am.
Are you teaching English?
No, I am not teaching English because I am answering because I am questioning.
Okay. Are you thinking?
No, I am not thinking because I am seeing, because I am standing, because I am sitting, because I am eating, because I am drinking, because I am crying.
Are you lying?
No, I am not lying because I am sitting, because I am learning, because I am crying, because I am standing, because I am crying.
Are you playing hockey?
No, I am not playing hockey because I am playing cricket, because I am playing
Dancing, I am listening, I am seeing TV, I am giving answer, he laughing at me.
Okay. Are you lying?
No, I am lying, I am seeing TV, I am buying phone, I am buying coffee, I am buying vegetables.
What are you doing?
I am
No, I am writing, I am reading, I am listening, I am saying, I am crying, I am bowling.
Is she fighting?
No, she
She is not fighting.
is not fighting. She is crying, she is bowling, she is play bowling.
Is he lying? Is he lying?
No, not
He's
is
not
lying.
lying.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Faisal. I am studies in class 7.
Well, what you doing?
I am eating, I am sleeping, and I am watching movie.
What are they doing?
They are listening me, they are watching movie, they are going.
What is she doing?
She is eating, she is learning, she is watching me.
What is he doing?
He is stealing money, he is barking. He is...
Are you playing hockey?
No, I am not playing hockey, I am playing cricket, I am playing football, I am playing Among Us.
Are they stealing?
Yes, no, they are not stealing, they are playing, they are lying, they are sleeping, and they are eating.
Okay. Is she making tea?
No, she is not making tea. She is making dinner. She is eating the dinner. She is sleeping. She is barking. She is lying.
Very good.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Maya. I am in class 7.
Well, what you doing?
I am doing study.
Okay.
I am reading, I am speaking, I am writing, I am eating.
Okay. What are they doing?
What are they doing?
Yeah,
I
they
am
are.
reading, I am writing, I am eating, I am speaking.
Okay. Are you lying?
No, I am not lying because I am studying, I am speaking in English.
Are you forgetting?
No, I am not forgetting. I am reading, I am speaking, I am English, I am writing.
Is he driving car?
No, he's not. She is not driving car. She is eating. She is making a pizza.
Okay. Is she crying for money?
No, she is not crying for money. She is crying a cash.
For car. Okay. Okay.
I am crying. I am speaking English. I am.
And I read in class 7.
Well. So, are you teaching English?
No, I am not teaching English. I am learning English. I am focusing English, and I am seeing English. And
Are you reading novels?
no, I am not reading
Novels.
novels, and I am eating, I am learning, I am drinking, I am focusing my books, and
Are you making dinner?
no, I am not making dinner. I make tea, and I make biryani, and I make
Okay. Are they fighting?
no. They are not fighting. They are listening to me. They are focusing me, and they are seeing me.
What is she doing?
She is laughing. She is focusing me. She is listening me, at me. and
What is he doing?
he is seeing me and he's laughing me with me and
Okay, very good.
Rahima from class 7.
Okay. Are you reading novels?
Not I am not reading, I am crying, I am studies, I am learning, I am reading.
Are you jumping?
No, I am not jumping. I am crying, I am reading, I am learning, I am crying.
Okay. Are you laughing?
No, I am not laughing. I am jumping, I am studies, I am crying.
Okay. Are they working?
No, I am not working.
Are they working?
No,
They are not working.
They are listening. They are.
Okay. Clapping for a very nice.
My name is Kyle. I am from class 7.
Well, are you lying?
No, I am not lying. I am watching. I am singing. I am answering. I am doing. I am doing cricket. I am playing cricket. I am watching hockey match.
Are you complaining?
No, I am not complaining. I am lying. I am seeing. I am answering. I am watching.
Are you waiting?
No, I am not waiting. I am not waiting. I am seeing.
Okay. Is he fighting?
No, he is not fighting. He is laughing. He is buying. He is seeing.
What you doing at home?
I I s-
I am.
I am doing homework. I am doing.
Okay. Thank you. Clapping for.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Hiba. I study class in 7th.
Okay. Are you fighting?
I am not fighting. I am crying. I am smiling. I am studying. I am smiling.
Are they abusing?
Not I.
They are.
They are not abusing. They are listening to me. They are smiling. They are sitting.
Is she crying?
No, no, it is.
She is
She
not
is
crying.
not crying. She is laughing. She is sitting. She is listening to me. She is saying,
Okay. What are you doing?
"But
I am.
I am question is answer. I am studying. I am."
In the class 7 at Spark School, Latif campus, we have done present continuous tense. And the activity that we were doing, it was all about, improvement. So that the students of this classroom may improve their language and spoken skills. So it was very well. So thank you very much.